Hi, I'm Teresa Connor, the Program Director at the Water Environment Research Foundation, managing the Sustainable Integrated Water Management Challenge. Our challenge recognizes that we can no longer operate in our functional silos and solve the water issues that we face effectively. The future of water management intertwines urban, agricultural, and industrial sectors with community planners, environmental regulators, utility system managers, and neighborhood advocates to develop meaningful programs to manage our water systems. The Sustainable Integrated Water Challenge supports the One Water paradigm, which is a concept that water from all sources must be managed collaboratively to meet economic, social, and environmental needs. Our first step in this challenge is a cooperative project with the Water Research Foundation and Water Research Australia to study cases where water, wastewater, and stormwater managers around the globe have transitioned to adopting a One Water approach, if only in part. It is called the Institutional Issues to Green-Gray Infrastructure in the One Water Paradigm. The intent is to find those policies, programs, and people that support the One Water paradigm and the barriers that may exist that block it. We recognize that managing water and resources in today's world of complex layers of governing agencies and regulation really becomes the art of the doable. Our goal is to support communities that they play upon their strengths and get through the barriers to holistic water management. This paradigm may be different in each community. It may be using reclaimed water to offset potable supplies, and it may be using green infrastructure to treat stormwater to protect source water for a community. Just by recognizing our overlapping systems, we build collaboration. Breaking down barriers does not mean someone loses. It means that we all gain capacity to do more. The second step is to develop a manual that outlines effective means for incorporating land use planning into our water needs and seeks to engage community planners into the water conversation. And the third is to evaluate priority issues associated with green infrastructure. We know that mimicking Mother Nature's method of stormwater management using infiltration and other means is better for our floodplains, our source waters, and our natural systems than using standard curb and gutter design techniques. But there are many unknowns about this green infrastructure system, such as what scale is most effective, what maintenance practices are needed, how should they be valued and managed in a similar way to gray infrastructure, and how to form effective public-private partnerships to implement these strategies. We invite you to be part of this initiative and find ways to improve water management in your community through collaborative efforts.